welcome back to another video. So this is just a quick reminder before the video starts that you should join my Discord server because it's completely free and this is how I make these type of videos. So if you want to join, it'll be the top link in the description. But today, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be going in some casual lobbies to warm up, and then we're going to be doing some private lobbies. Because why not? If you do enjoy, please like and subscribe, obviously. There has been a small update for Gorilla Tag, just solving some issues, and now your character name can go up to 12 letters. So that's pretty interesting, but let's get into the video.
Show the mortals our pyre! You are using loads of mods. Yeah, you can't report us. Hello. You can't report us. Huh? You can't report modders in this lobby. It's a private lobby. How? This here is a private lobby. 69's a private lobby, so it is because there's hardly anyone here. You don't randomly load in.
That's a fucking modder, ladies and gentlemen, and that is why I'm only going to be using mods on a private server with my friends to mess about with them. I'm not going to use it like that absolute dildo who was just using it just now because I can't catch him. I'm only going to, like, whenever I go on with, like, Cozy or some shit, I'm going to use it. But otherwise, I'm fucking stuck. But yeah, fuck him, bro. Okay. We're not going to find a game now, are we? Should we join back? Should we join back just to trash talk him? No, I can't be arsed getting to an argument with modders, because modders are gay. I'm about to call Monkey. Monkey. Bro, I'm gonna put in J man, it's gonna be a code. How much in the back? Watch. It's actually not. Wow. But the code Yeah, no shit, no one's in that lobby. Are you?
I joined your party yesterday, but you weren't speaking.
It's probably because I was either playing Rec Room or I came off completely.
Yeah, I was thinking because the other guy in the party wasn't speaking either. I was close. What's your color? What's the number?
My color is Iron Brew Monkey.
What's Iron Brew Monkey? I know.
Iron Brew Monkey! Ah!
What are the numbers I want then?
Ah! You're lying!
I have boogie. I have a booger on my finger. On my burger. She needs my burger finger. Burger finger. Kick my burger. I said kick my burger.
Fuck you! Monkey doesn't play games while he's a monkey! Hey, monkey! Ooh. Hello there!
Get him, please, please, please. What's your color? Please tell me you're speaking. You're a naughty monkey. You know that? You're already naughty.
Ah!
You're a naughty monkey. Do you know?
See you later! That's it for the video. You'll know. You can see that my color change. That doesn't matter. So hope you did enjoy. It was kinda short. I don't know. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in 2-3 days.